And today's find at Jordan Motorsports in Portland, Oregon, we got this beautiful one owner, local Oregon truck, since new, 2002 Ford F350, Super Duty, crew cab, long bed, XLT, four-wheel drive with 134,000 actual miles. 100% rust-free. 100% accident-free, clean title, Carfax certified. This truck is a perfect example for a grandpa's truck. When we got this truck, it was 100% stock. This truck still remains stock. It has no tuners, no mechanical upgrades, factory suspension. We just added a brand new 2.5-inch leveling kit with all 4 brand new BILSTEIN 5100 series shocks. So none of that cheap stuff. This is the real deal BILSTEIN 5100 series shocks on all 4 corners. This F350 will ride like a dream. We also upgraded the wheel and tire package to a brand new set of 35-inch TOYO open country AT3s in the 10-ply rating, and a new set of Era Correct 17-inch raceline polished aluminum wheels. We upgraded the mirrors to the new style extendable power towing mirrors. I love the look of these mirrors. I like them a lot more than the previous gen. Like I said, this is a factory XLT loaded with all the options, even adjustable power pedals. All power options, 6-passenger seating, adjustable pedals, and an upgraded head unit so you can have Bluetooth capability, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and all the stuff that you need for today. This is a non-smoker truck. The paint shows as new. There's no clear coat issues. It shines super good. There's no clear coat peeling or clear coat fading whatsoever. It comes with a paint match canopy that is fully insulated as well, and comes with a rear slider through the canopy, and the truck is equipped with a factory rear slider, so you have full pass-through into the cab of the truck. The bed is also protected with a spray-in Line-X bed liner, and it has never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck installed in it whatsoever. What does that tell me? That tells me that this truck has had a super easy life, and I know it has a super easy life. The bed is also in an excellent condition. It's not all beat up, dented up, or any of that stuff. It's been very well cared for. Same goes for the tailgate. Minor little scuffs on the tailgate in the bed liner, but it's not beat up or dented up or any of that stuff. Chrome bumpers are in excellent condition, and we upgraded the license plate lights to LED bulbs. All the lights are working, and we'll turn them on and test them out. But the way this truck looks, stands, this Toretto red color, just super beautiful. All the doors come with even this rubber protectants to protect it from getting dinged up. 2 sets of floor mats on top of each other, the factory floor mats with the all-weather floor mats. The carpet, etc., is in excellent, like new condition. All the plastics, the whole interior, the door panels, the seats are in impeccable condition. There is no known or issues whatsoever. The cushions, the seats are not beat up. The foams, this truck, I mean, really, when you sit in it, you would think it would have 30,000 miles, if that. No broken plastics, no broken buttons, excellent condition dash. Same goes for the headliner. There is 0 issues, there's no rips, there's no tears, there's no stains, there's no cigarette burns. This is a non-smoker truck. 6-passenger seating, like I mentioned. All the rubbers have been inspected. There's no rips. They're not torn. They're not ripped up. All the jams are super clean. All the door moldings are intact. There's zero rust, zero issues that I can see. The undercarriage of this truck is literally in new condition. Doesn't have any signs that it's been off-road or in mud or snow. There's no surface rust. There's no corrosion. Original muffler. Yes, this is a 24-year-old undercarriage in a 1-ton truck. You do not find this every day. These trucks are getting harder and harder to find. Not only with low mileage, but also in a good, well cared for condition. But undercarriages like this on a 24-year-old truck is just impossible to find. This truck has no oil leaks, no issues, all lights work, 4-wheel drive functions properly, transmission shifts smoothly. It also comes with all the original books, all the original manuals, 2 sets of keys. I got a set here and there's a set inside. The original literature, etc. This is a fully documented truck, local to us here. Purchased it from the original owner. We just did a full service on this truck as well. That service included new fluids. We did a brake fluid flush. We did a coolant flush. We did an AC service with fresh charge. We did new serpentine belt, new air filter, new windshield wipers, and so much more. The batteries are a year old. We just had it replaced, but we did a battery service. This is the truck that you have been looking for. Perfect color combination, excellent undercarriage with zero rust. One owner, same gentleman, purchased this truck and drove it for the last 24 years. You got the super nice upgrades that you'd want, the leveling kit with the top of the line shocks that you can put on. You get the best tires, TOYO AT3s, 10 plies, 35s, new set of wheels, new lug nuts, new valve stems, upgraded mirrors, power mirrors. Your fluids have been flushed, inspected, newer batteries. It does not get any better. This is the driver's seat, driver's side. Take a look at this. There's not a rip. There's not a tear. Like I said, there's no odors. Wish they still made them this nice. Where do you find a 24-year-old seat that's in this condition, that's not beat up, it's not ripped up? And no, this has not been reupholstered. The gentleman had Carhartt seat covers on this front and rear that we removed and discarded. Here's the second set of keys. It's in my pocket. Let's just get this thing fired up. He also, when they installed the head unit, they installed dual USB plugins in here so you can have multiple chargers, whatever it is that you need or decide that you'd want. 134,802 miles as of today. Let's get this thing fired up. Take a look at the steering wheel. There's no chunks missing. It's not ripped up. It's not torn. All the buttons are intact. These are the things that you want to look at, and it shows you the kind of ownership and history this truck had. Let's turn the lights on. We'll turn the dash. You'll see the dash lights come on. There you go. And you can probably mostly see them right around here. All right. Stereo sounds really good, and like I said, it's Apple CarPlay capable and Android Auto, and you can stream Bluetooth your music, etc. 4-wheel drive on the fly. There's your overdrive. Let's turn that on. Let's go ahead and put it in neutral, and then let's switch hands. I'm gonna switch it into 4-wheel drive. You're gonna see it get actuated right there. Here's your 4 high. Here's 4 low. 4 high back. And 2-wheel drive. I've driven this truck probably 70 miles or so. Drives excellent. I had it up on the freeway. I got up to 75, 80 miles an hour. It drives phenomenal. Cup holders are all intact. They are not broken. There's your pedals, bringing them in, retracting them. Let's check out the wipers. There's your wipers, first speed. We'll go to the second speed and third speed. And you got brand new wipers ready for the winter. There's the horn. Let's turn the hazards on and go out and check this thing. So here's the driver's side window, factory glass, not tinted. We'll go to the passenger side. Let's bring it down. Let's check out the rear. All the tracks have been cleaned, lubricated. And I also forgot to mention that we just installed new door lock actuators as well. So all your door lock actuators are operating and functioning, which that's one of the always common issues with these. There's the door lock actuator. Let me hold the phone in a different way. Back up. So there's that. Let's walk around, check out all the lights. All the lights have been inspected. There's the turn signals, headlights. Oh, we'll turn the fog lights on as well. We have the headlights, turn signals, fog lights. Under the headlight, there's your fresh coolant flush. Like I said, the batteries. One thing you're gonna see does not work is the lights and the mirrors. You can run a wire to get them wired, but because this did not have the lights and the mirrors as an option with the truck, so they're not working. But if you run a separate wire for them, connect it with your ignition or your headlight switch, then you can have your turn signals and lights running in the mirrors. 4x4 off-road package. There's your turn signals in the rear and tail lights. Here's the LED license plate bulbs. There goes that. Take a look at this undercarriage. The spare has never been off the truck, never on the ground. The rear BILSTEINs. Take a look at this undercarriage. This is as clean as it gets. There's no surface rust. There's no corrosion. Take a look at the hitch. It does not get any better than that. So, oh, let's test out the air conditioning. I forgot to do that. Oh. We are sitting on idle, not under load. And look at that. This is the AC, freshly serviced, ice cold. Can't get any better than that. So let's turn this off. Let's lower this. And let's turn the hazards off. Turn the lights off. And obviously the stereo will disconnect as soon as we open the door. So there we go. So in summary, we have a one owner Oregon truck, 100% rust-free, corrosion-free, no story truck, clean title, Carfax certified, 02, 1-ton crew cab, long bed with 134,000 miles. Excellent condition, looks and stands as if it's brand new. Gentleman told me he had a complete paint job done on it about a year ago. Paid well over $7,500 for it, so it literally looks and stands as if it's brand new. He was not planning on selling the truck, and he was planning on keeping it till his last days. But he's having some major health issues and sold me the truck. So you don't have to worry about faded paint, about faded roof, or rock chips or scratches, because the paint job is about a year old. And they've done a phenomenal job, and he told me, and you can see it when they did the paint job. I mean, all moldings, door handles off, rubbers off, everything. This was not a cheap paint job. I can qualify this F350 for new car financing. So I can finance it up to 84 months and as low as 6.99 interest rate on approved credit. No, your bank cannot finance it, will not finance it, not your credit union, not USAA or Navy Federal. This is a special program that we created for our inventory, our pre-emission inventory. We certify it for it, and we're happy to help you with it. And if you have cash, you can pay cash. But if you'd rather save your cash and not tie it up, this is a great way to do so. But we also accept wires. That's not a problem. This is standard credit union financing. There is no early payoff penalty. There is no anything, just regular, as if you're going in and buying a model 2024 F350. Same rates and same terms. We also finance the full value or up to the full value. Sometimes we need 5% down or 10% down. All depends on your credit, your state, what your sales tax is, etc. We handle all for you. Your titling, your registration, you pay the taxes of your state, not for Oregon. You pay your local taxes as if you're buying it locally. Also, I can help you ship this truck right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. We know how shippers work. We ship thousands and thousands of vehicles and trucks. We know how to vet them. We know how to make sure they're insured and bonded. We don't work with brokers. We only work with A+ rated shippers. This truck has lasted 24 years or 22 years or whatever it is, and stayed in this excellent condition, in new condition, and would like to keep it the same way until we get it to its new home. Then you can do whatever you want. You can also fly in. We're 10 minutes from Portland International Airport and do your bucket list, drive cross country or whatever it is that you're gonna drive. I can also help you ship this truck to Alaska, to Hawaii, any of the islands, to Canada, to New Jersey, to Rhode Island, to Utah, to South Carolina, to New Hampshire, to North Dakota, to Arizona, to Colorado, to New Mexico, to California, to Washington, anywhere. We'll ship these trucks in and out on the daily basis, and I'm happy to help and get it for you to your driveway. We are Jordan Motorsports. We specialize in the low mileage, rust-free, pre-emission diesel trucks and all kinds of unique stuff. Check out our website. I have 95 detailed photos zoomed in on each body panel, every corner, every inch of this truck, just in case my video has not satisfied you all the way. Please like the video, give it a thumbs up, and give us a call. Let's make it yours.